Understanding, to speak volumes. English phrases explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to speak volumes. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this intriguing phrase. To speak volumes is an idiomatic expression in English. It means that something is very revealing or provides a lot of information about a subject, often without words actually being spoken. For example, if someone's facial expression speaks volumes, it means their face is showing a lot of emotion or information without them needing to say anything. This phrase is often used to highlight the importance of nonverbal communication, like body language or actions. The origin of "to speak volumes" is quite interesting. It dates back to a time when books were the primary source of knowledge and information. So, the phrase originally meant that something provided as much information as a large book or volume. Over time, it evolved to its current figurative meaning, indicating that something is very revealing or informative. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. 1. In personal contexts, her smile spoke volumes about her happiness. 2. In professional settings, the sales report speaks volumes about the team's hard work. 3. In literature and media, the silence between the characters spoke volumes about their strained relationship. When using "to speak volumes," remember, it's usually used in the present tense. The phrase often precedes the subject it refers to. Avoid using it in a literal sense. It's a figurative expression. That's all about "to speak volumes." We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this expressive phrase. Remember, English is full of such idioms, and learning them can really enrich your language skills. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.